Here's a 2-ingredient waffle that is full of protein. You just mix protein powder of whatever kind is your favorite with an egg, throw it in a waffle maker, cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes until it is done. Then I top mine with some cream cheese and some sugar-free jelly. This is bomb and so easy.
Let's make waffles. Take 1 tablespoon of melted butter, add 1/4 cup of pork panko, 1 egg, optional 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix it up real good and it's going to make 2 waffles. Put them in your mini waffle maker, spread it out a bit. You're going to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you whip up some whipped cream. Again, the vanilla is optional. These are one of our favorites and I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you make them.
Do you want the most heavenly keto chocolate dessert recipes ebook? Click the link now.